Hi guys, it's Dare here from Anime Cosplay 108. Today I'm going to be showing you my dogs. So, yeah. I have two. This is one, this is Roxy. Hey. Whoa. Okay, let's go to the window. She scratched the windows really hard and she made like a little hole. And then she started scratching, and then this is what happened. Watch, show her. Oh, she's right here. Hey, Rex. She jumps right here. This thing. Hey, Rex. This is Roxy. She is 8 months old now. Happy birthday, Roxy. Come here. That's Roxy. And then let me show you my other puppy. Her name's Mia. And we're keeping her. Watch. She's right there. Hi, Mia. Don't go inside the house. I almost stepped in her. Hi, good girl. Hey. This is Mia. Mia, sit. Good girl. Come here. Girl. She can sit. She likes it when we rub her belly. Cute. Hi. Oh, you're dancing. She's biting me, and it doesn't really hurt, but she has sharp little teeth. 3D. Look. Oh my gosh. Right. Good. Mia, can you sit? Can you sit? Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Oh, rubbing your belly. Okay, come here. Good girl. Oh, look at that. He's so sad. Oh, you rub your belly again. Okay. Let's go back inside because it's like really. Oh, she's trying to get to bed. Yeah. Well, that's it. I'm Dare from Anime Cosplay saying bye. Bye.